recording.
Oh, good. We're going live. Not quite. All right, we're day 2. They've dragged me out here, and I regret it.
Be happier.
We got out here this morning and forgot how tall it was. So
You'd almost reach it. I bet you I could jump and touch it.
I bet you can't.
Watch this. Okay, point it up there so people can see. No, over there.
Oh,
Ready?
yeah.
So close.
That was just embarrassing. Anyways, you guys are gonna watch us probably quit today, so.
Okay, so day 2, what we're doing is
I don't know what we're doing. You should have told me what we were doing before I spit all over the place.
That's embarrassing. Anyways, okay, so day 2 we're gonna do rafters. That's a lie. Joyce. We're gonna do floor rafters. We're gonna do floor rafters today, and then we're gonna square it up. And we have to move this whole thing because it needs to be positioned, because we're gonna pet deer down that lane, that lane, that lane, and that lane. So it needs to be turned a little bit so we can see, like, once we put our windows up. That's it.
See? There
Oh
you
wait,
go.
you forgot the wise words.
Wise words.
You still don't have any.
He's not wise.
Yeah, I just hit one of your screws, I think. Good. Really solid. I don't even have to look. That's how good I am.
What's BDP?
Big Daddy Pumpkin.
Oh.
That's not going to be my name. I refuse.
The funny thing about a name is people just call you it. You get to pick it.
Whether you like it or not.
Great.
Yeah, that's the 3rd time it's happened.
Nobody heard anything.
Yeah. Oh, how is this happening? Yeah, I got it if you want.
Oh, God.
Do I though? Because I didn't realize it was heavy.
I have to go this way.
Can you find a big pavement here?
You ready over there?
You did bark down, right?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna put the chicken
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, ladder almost gave out, is all.
You want to hold this off?
Now I swore on camera. Everybody knows.
As if you swear.
fired.
I don't know. I'm gonna use a hammer. Holy crap, Amundo.
Yeah, this is a Tweet.
She uses the wall hammer. Alright, stop holding his ladder and pass me the hammer, dude.
Yeah. I'm good.
Shit, good. I think this ladder is a little bit effed
Why?
because this side is crooked compared to that side. Maybe not. Maybe it's just my eyes. I don't know.
Why I choke this far up on the thing, I'll never understand. It's so-
Minimum power.
Yeah.
Maximum effort.
Maximum forearm. That should be my wrestling name.
Maximum forearm.
Maximum forearm. Incorporated.
fucking cool.
There. Oh, les trois. There.
Now it's fixed.
Oh, you meant one more joist.
Yeah, one more joy.
I thought you meant do one more nail. And I just blindly listened.
It's a good thing.
It's awkward. We're just gonna let him do all the work now.
What?
What? What?
Look how close you were to hitting my foot.
Oh my god.
Sorry, man. I apologize. I apologize for any inconvenience that may have caused you. Whoa, look at that. Stable is where horses stay.
Oh. That was bad.
Just do your job.
Do you have the measuring tape?
Right here. You told me to pass it to you. So that's what
That was like 4
do.
minutes ago.
Yeah, well, I've been holding on to it.
Yeah, where were you when I needed you?
Okay.
Now, what's going on over here, Nate?
I just used my strength. So I don't
My
need
raw strength.
my sheer strength. Contact! Alright, let's address the 12-inch on center. We did 12-inch on center because we hate ourselves.
Yes.
And because there's going to be so many fat people up here.
Hey.
I didn't say you're invited.
Wow.
Even worse. Oops.
Wow. Alright.
Hey, look.
You know what? You throw one more thing at me,
What are you
and
gonna
I'm
do?
going to do absolutely nothing. But I'll remember this. Okay. Alright.
Done.
Now it's time to strap it up. Okay, Jamie, explain what we're going to do because we don't understand it.
I don't know. We're going to use straps to level the base. That's it.
The base.
Or the, whatever. What would you call that? The platform?
The floor.
The floor.
Level it or square it?
Well, square it up, and then once that's square, then we'll square up all these posts. And about 5 minutes before we do that, I'm gonna quit.
It's all leveled and straight.
Level, plumb, square,
All of them.
everything. It's good to go. Now we just have to do a bunch of board and batten. So that's it.
Cool.
That's how easy that is.
Super easy.
Oh, let's give them a view from up there. This will be the view from the Lazy Boy. Pretty nice. And that's it. We're gonna do plywood floor. It's gonna be a hatch here, insulation, and then boards all the way around except for right there, because that's where the ATV is gonna come in case it's raining. Nate doesn't want to get wet. So, oh, and then we're gonna do windows are gonna start a foot up, go all the way across, and then we'll have a drop down petting door for the deer. And then that's pretty much it. Okay, cool. So subscriber. I'm gonna throw this at Jeffrey's face right now.